Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to create these easy Valentine's Day nails. So I have Ashlyn in today, and I have a fresh set sculpted out, and she is trying rounded nails, which is a first for her. We've always done square, and she doesn't like change too much, so I was surprised when she asked, but I was happy to do that. So let me know what you guys think of this new shape on Ashlyn. And the first color we're going to use is Madam Glam's Perfect White, which is my favorite white shade to use. We're going to paint this on her pinky and her pointer finger. Next, I'm going to go in with Coral Flirt from Madam Glam. This is one of my hands down most used colors from Madam Glam over the years. It is a beautiful medium coral shade. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the rest of her nails. And we're going to go ahead and do a second coat of both of these colors. Next, I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Peony for Your Thoughts, which is a beautiful pink iridescent glitter. It has some chunkies in it, but it's super light and just sparkly. So we're going to go ahead and put this on her ring finger. Then I'm going to take these heart glitters that I have from Recollections, and they are pink iridescent. They pretty much match Peony for Your Thoughts. So we just added a couple hearts into the mix. You can't really see them unless you're up close, so it's like this subtle little hint of hearts on her nails. And then moving on to her pointer finger, which is one of the white nails, I'm going to go ahead and take some of Coral Flirt, put it on my palette here, and we're going to do a simple, just small little heart. So an easy way to create hearts is using a dotting tool. Do two large dots next to each other, and then either using a smaller end of the dotting tool or with a brush, you just connect it down to a point and fill in your heart. Pretty easy way to do hearts. And I do want to put our inspo picture. This is the design she chose. She wanted something pretty simple. The inspiration picture is red and white, but she really wanted pink, and she loves Coral Flirt. We've used that shade on her a tons. And then last minute, we decided to go in and make the thumb glitter because she loves glitter. I asked her if she wanted to keep the thumb plain or if she wanted glitter, and she's like, yeah, let's do glitter. So the more glitter, the better. Then we're going to go ahead and top coat. I'll be using Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how her nails came out. They are super cute. They're bright, but not in your face. Simple, but they definitely give you a Valentine's vibes, which is exactly what she was going for. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy me doing easy designs for tutorials. And make sure you are subscribed for more Valentine's tutorials coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!